This is one platform which has given us an opportunity to actually train surgeons, young or old, who want to learn skilled surgical procedures. There was a time when this opportunity was not available. We had to actually learn on patients directly. But now, with the devices which are available and the biological animal models which are created, we are able to replicate almost ditto what you're going to see in the human body. And therefore, with endoscopes and camera and laparoscopes, we are able to do the same procedure with as much finesse and with as much normal tactile sensation that you would feel in the human body. It's alright to attend a conference and also attend live operative workshops to see the masters show how to do a particular technique. But if you yourself want to do a technique right from the basics of handling an instrument, of amalgamating all that you have available in your resource to be able to use that inside a body, you get the opportunity here to do that. More so, there is a one-to-one hands-on training available between the faculty and the trainee. So at one point of time, in a lab like you see, we have not more than 12 delegates who are actually having one operating table, and you can see the operating table is complete, as you will see in a complete well-made operation theatre OR today. So it's got a complete trolley with the light source, with the energy source, with the endo camera, and with all the ancillary equipment which you require to use in a particular operation. And believe me, whether it is endoscopy or whether it is laparoscopy, any minimal access surgery, you need time to be able to get to handle the instruments, to be able to feel how exactly you'll be able to manipulate that inside the human body. And this is a very good opportunity where the faculty is able to actually hold the hand or be beside the surgeon to actually show him the technique or her the technique of doing so. We have done more than 400 courses, and not just limited to basic general surgery or urology. It has already crossed all barriers, and almost 11 specialties today are involved, right from neurosurgery, from vascular surgery, to endoscopic surgery, to gastrointestinal endoscopy, to arthroscopy, to thoracoscopy, to the effect of a functional endoscopic sinus surgery. You name it, and wherever you use a camera and you use a telescope, we are able to improvise and create a model where a surgeon will have the benefit of actually training.